much to look at, but my wife's still hot.
What kind of thingy is that thingy?
What's up, guys? My name's Ben Cheston. This is Notch 'em and Watch 'em. Let me show you what we got. We got to take this white oak down. It's right over the power line. You know, there's a transformer right there and a power line runs right there. I don't like power lines, so I'm not climbing the tree. But Darrel doesn't mind it, so. But yeah, you can see the power line running right there. So it's not massive, but it's pretty big. I'd say it's about 30 inches. 30 inches in diameter maybe. But Darrel says he's got a pretty good plan for the wire side. I don't know if he's gonna like swing it, you know, hinge stuff that way, maybe cut some of it and let it fall. Either way, we're taking you guys along for the ride so you can check it out. We got my woodsman behind his dump truck. Oh, we got the cameras out today, bud. Notch 'em and Watch 'em's in full effect. Shorty. Look, he won't look at me. Is it just me, or am I like literally seeing a face right there? See the eyes and the mouth? Well, actually, that's the nose. Hayden.
What'd I do?
So what are you gonna do? Are you gonna like hinge most of it and have it go that way?
Lower it down onto the wires and I'll use the pole clip to get it off of it. That's normally how we do it. We take a couple poles and we let it down on the wire, and then you push up on the wire with the metal. It makes a few sparks, but it's all good. Rob had a rat tail back in the day.
Rob said he was going to climb the tree, but it's too small.
Nah, I don't come little trees like that. Little babies.
Yes, sir. He's like, yeah, that's a dang nice ball for hinge, but drain field one out there. I'll show you.
Oh.
Why do you think it died? The weeble wobbles?
It was the pine warblers.
The weedle beetles.
The pine warblers.
The Jamaican cheetah willies.
It's called Hayden's Dingo, established in 2024. Nah, I'm playing as a ditch witch, 1550.
The Ditch Witch 1550.
Yeah,
He's about to get it in. I like him work boots, Rob. Where'd you pick them up at?
Oh, I got those at Vantage Footwear, bud. PCs.
Man, those are hammer work boots. Sounds like
Sea bass. Yes, sir. Or put a notchy notch. What? Point in the center here? Over here, I mean, it might make sense to use that one to, yeah, be further away. I'm about to open the hole, bud. You're gonna see. Watch out, watch out. Woodpecker been having a day with this tree. Oh, woodpecker been having a day getting the ants out of this thing. Oh, Chongo on the lasso, right there in the land zone. I know, right? my lifestyle. Tie it on, Betty. That's what she said. I said, what am I supposed to do? Cut it off and flip it around? Like tie it right here. Yeah, either that or I'll tie it out and try to get about midway, have it kind of balanced the way it pulls around. I was gonna tie it to my leg and then cut it.
Don't be scared of that little thing. Give me that damn camera.
I hear you down there, Ben. All right, get a couple of y'all draw down on this thing. Shorty gets worried around these wires. I had to hold the saw against it to make sure it pushed off that notch the right way. It didn't do exactly what I wanted it to do, but it went right. Tell Rob I'm quite upset with him. His finger isn't pointing enough. Alright, go ahead and tie me a water on. Hey, call Jason Morris. You there? Yeah, and tell him I need to borrow his tennis shoes to finish this tree. We cutting trees and making treatios. It's my visor, I wear it how I want. Oh yeah. Watch that wire. Watch the wire. Yeah, I was scared to death grabbing that rope. You know what we do? We take this one right here. We get off that one that goes in there to that tree. Take that, tie a rope on it. We notch it here. Y'all pull it with the dingo, throw the whole piece out. Then I got that open, right? Then I go up here, I get this limb that goes off to the right, I get this limb goes off to the left, and this limb in front of me. Then I'll be able to, actually, we might even leave this one first. I'll do that back one first. That way my rope can stay up against here and won't go to the wires. And when I get up there, I can walk over and go out on them and dice the ends off. Then we put a rope in here and rope these logs straight down right here. And then once that's out the way, it's California, bing, bang, bam, whammo, right out the tree. Right in a kisser. Huh. You know where I punched him, Jimmy? Right in the kisser. Thank you. I think he had 2 wraps on. That's mi amigo though. Anytime, any place, anywhere I would like to go. For dry eyes, you use, yeah, Beijing. Right here, right there, and a little bit of everywhere. What's he talking about, cuz? Jerry! Geriatric! Joey Jr. Joey Jr. Yeah, oh, am I loud?
He probably hear you. He's probably waking up right now.
He just rolled over. Yeah, they say he had one to check at 7 o'clock last night. Says it cools down in the evening. What are y'all, a bunch of idiots? Nah, yeah, I'm gonna take this one piece off over top of that oak. Where's Shorty at? Is he on it? I don't see him. Oh, okay.
Come right out of there.
I like that. That looked cool. I think that looked cool. Yeah, still ain't much to look at, but my wife's still hot. In the red helmet on the white machine, we have Bubba Break 'em Up Brown. Let her rip, potato chip. I'm sure I'm all booked up for the week. But you know, talk about next week. It's whatever you want to do, hon. Daddy had to pull it a little bit. I had to pull it a little bit. So stank booty. You know why I call stank booty? Cause she get in the shower, she wash her booty. But as soon as she fart, she back to stank booty. You better quit playing with me. And they got them biscuits. Good, shorty? Watch out down there. That's a long drop to hit something. Bomb everything. Bomb it all. Watch yourself. Like right there, Rob? Perfect. I guess that's gonna have to work. Then we could toss the log.
He wants to leave it up a little bit.
I'm gonna cut it like, you know, where I usually cut it, where everybody hates on.
Oh, he wants it up 3-4 foot.
Yeah.
He wants it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Like waist high?
Yeah, I'm gonna cut it where I usually cut it. Well, guys, there it is. Got her down. Customer wanted to keep the stump up high, but what a fun takedown that was. It's always good when I'm with my buds. You up on the stump, bud? That's Darrel's little boy, Luke. Let's get Uncle Joey on the video.
Yeah, put Uncle Joey on.
Joey!
Joey, say what up to the YouTube.
Hi. Well, I wasn't able to conclude the video on site. We just didn't have enough time, so I'm doing it now. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I know we really did. Darrel did a hell of a job on the tree. I didn't climb the tree because I don't like wires. A couple of my buddies died in the tree because of hot wires, and so anytime a tree has hot wires under it, I just don't do it. I guess it's just personal preference. I don't know. But if you guys are new to the channel and you're enjoying this content, please subscribe. It really helps the channel. And leave something in the comments. I'm always wanting to hear from you guys. And I'm sorry I haven't been posting very much lately. I've been spending a lot of time with family, and I just haven't had time to edit the videos. There's plenty more to come though, because I've been filming. I just haven't had time to edit. So I'm working on about 3 or 4 projects right now as we speak, so stay tuned for that. I also wanted to say I'm really grateful for you guys, especially just being patient with me. Big shout out to Dave from Kentucky. Thanks for reaching out to me. You know, it means a lot. This is all new to me. I've never done anything like this, so all the encouragement is priceless. So anyway, that's all we got for today. Hope to see you guys back. I'll catch you guys on the next one.